Hi back again, we start. So at first we make the basic materials. That means we make here material new, call it roof, on principal shader, base color, an image, open our texture folder. So we have to get the roof tiles there. It's here. We bring that here up and take here node editor and close that here with N. Then bring that to the side and open here an UV image editor. Then we bring in here add input texture coordinates, add vector mapping, connect UV with the vector, get texture, connect vector with vector, then add converter, a math node. So we go from the texture into the value and from the value to the displacement, and take here the option multiply. Then we add a shader, a class shader, and a mix shader. Bring that between principal and surface, and the glossy we plug into there too. Here we have the preview. That is not rough enough, so we get here to the principal shader and make it rough. Then we connect the color from the texture to the glossy. And we bring the color as a factor for mixing. So we have that. Now we want to bring them onto the roof. So we take this face and that face here. Look from the front. UV projection from view. See, it is too big and something is marked with, I think, no, it's okay. Then we scale them up here. That is okay. So next one is this part. Yeah, here it is a little bit other. Take here the back side and one of these sides. Oh, we make it so. Side view, no, front view. View from view. New material is roof, and scale it down. Good. Now we look here straight to that face. View unwrap from view roof is assigned, so we only have to scale here. Same here. What happens here? View from view, scale up. Tier 2. Good. Next one. That here, the top two faces, front view, projection from view, roof, and scale. Good. Next one. Let's look if that little thing has that too or not. And it has. Okay. So we take them. This time side view, numpad 3, projection from view, roof material, scale up. File, save as, new version number. Next one, this little thing, front view, and scale up. Then the tower, okay, file, save. Now we need this stone wall material, so plus new stone wall material. We take all that we have in the roof panel nodes, so A to select all, Control C to copy them all, then we go to stone wall material, Control V to plug in, delete the old output and the old diffuse shader, and we have all other now with us. We only have to change here this texture, so we bring here in the stone texture from our texture folder. That is that one or that one. I'm not sure. I take that one. So then front view, so we need these front faces here, and we can also take them from the other side too. Good. Then stone wall material. No. That should be the roof material. Now we need plus, and now we need this stone material and assign them. And unwrap from view. And now scale up. Same we have to do with them here. Front view, unwrap from view, say plus, and give them stone material assign, and then scale up. Okay. Then we need the front here, so that, and we can take also the wall into this places there. So then unwrap from view, stone material assign, scale down. Yeah, then all that is from the top or from the down part. That means that. So we deselect the side things because we have textured them. We only need the top and the bottom of each window there. And then look from the top view, 7 on the numpad, view, unwrap from view, stone material assign, and then scale that down. That here is gone, I don't know why. So make it again, new unwrap from view, stone material assign. Good. We have done that too. File save, the entrance, the front, unwrap from view, plus, stone, material, assign, scale down. Then the sides, side view, view from view, stone material assign, and scale down. So then here we have to do the same, the top part here and the down part, top view, and unwrap from view, stone material assign, and scale down. Good. That looks all creepy in a moment because there is much multiply on them. So we will redact that next, but not yet. So the church itself, this front and the back, and the windows sides plus the other side when there is a window, and there is a window. There comes another. Good. Then you on project from view, stone material assign, scale down. Good. Done that too. File, save. I must look here at the little houses. What is with them? This one have one. Here comes another, and here comes the door. So only that is done with stone. That means that here is made with stone, and that here. So unwrap from view plus stone material assign, scale down. File, save. We also need it here inside. So you from the view stone assign, scale down. Same we need here at the top and the bottom. So top view, unwrap from view, stone assign. Good. File, save as new version number. So I go here down from the value from the multiply to a 0.3. Then you see it looks better. Good. Here the windows are too deep in, so we bring them more to the front. So the unwrap is here now gone, and you have to do it new. Here we try now another unwrap. We try here cube projection sign and scale that down. That works too. Good. File, save. Here was the top part roof tile, and the rest is other. That looks very mystery here, but we make here a simple one. We take the knife and cut from here to there, and then make here the roof tiles on. In the background we don't need to, because there's later rock. So UV from view projection and scale down the roof tiles. So here comes this reddish stuff there. So file, save. Then the huge wall and the whole wall. So that one, that, view from view, stone material, scale down. Oh, that I haven't marked, but okay. Good. Then we take that, and this, and that. Oh no, not that. Good. View from view and scale down. Good. Now from the top we need here view from view scale down. Good. Then this bottom there. The bottom is a special one, so plus new bottom. We take here this away and Control V to plug that other material in that we copied, and we take now here another texture. Take that bottom stone picture here and then top view and mark all bottom sections. Good. Top view and view project from view, bottom assign and scale down. Good. Here this wall should have this stone material too, so here we try that cube projection. It don't work every time. That is the bad thing on that. So we must rescale that all. Good, but that is done too. Here we have to make the wall material again. It's on the church basement there. So view from view, stone, scale down. Good. As far as good, but not really. Here we need that bottom material too on the top of the stairs there. So from view and take here bottom and scale up. Good. This here should be that wall material too. So you cube projection or smart UV. We try this time smart UV unwrap and stone material. Yeah, don't works that perfect, but rotate 90 degrees and scale down. And here the top and the sides we must make manually, like ever. Scale X, scale Y, scale in the hole. Scale X again, scale Y again, and that is done. This here too. Not bottom. Stone material. Rotate 90. Scale down. And you know it, that here we must make manual. So scale X. scale Y. And here that is different to them, so we have to do that here. Singular 2. Scale X. Scale Y. Rotate 90. Scale Y again. Scale in the whole. Done. Good. File, save. Now the tower. Here, better I made it like ever, that's for me fine. So, front and back of the tower. From view and plus, give them the stone wall material they are assigned, scale down. Then the front, from view, stone material assigned, scale down. Good. Here inside. And scale. Here 2. And also that parts. Top view. And scale down. And rotate 90. They are too deep in, so we bring them out. Good. Then next is the big tower there. File, save. There we make the same, the whole front here and the whole back side. Oops. So from view, stone material sign, scale down. Then the other sides. Okay. From view, stone, sign, and scale down. Good. Then we have to do here the insides. Good. Such like that. Then these other sides here. From that windows, doors, and all this stuff there. Okay. And from view again, like ever, stone material sign and scale. Every time I've forgotten what. Then top and bottom parts. Top view, numpad 7. From view, stone. And scale down. Good. Done that all. Here is something that needs to stone 1 material. And from view and scale down. Good. This here 2. Yeah, make it also from view. Only that here have to change. So scale X or Y as long as you need to get there a good result. Simply by trying. But here I go from top view and it's more easier. Good. Then the rest that we don't made in the moment are the doors and all that is with beton pour, like the stairs. Yeah, like the stairs. That here I must give stone material to. How not crash, please. Fuck. I hope I have some left here. Without that I have a problem. I must make all new. That looks not so bad. That is the good when you save often. Without that you lost all. So save often. Good. The beton we spoke about. File, save as, new version number. So we make the stairs new. Delete all what is in this material, X, then Control V. Oh, the other material is gone. That is bad. So we go back to some material from them, stone material, and A to select all, Control C to copy, go back to the stair, Control V to plug in. Then we take a beton material from our texture folder. I think that's there's there. Can have this beton. Maybe. Yeah. So we have that. Then here we take smart UV projection. That is too strong here, this 3D effect, but it's 003. Then I don't understand it really. Good, but we call it beton. And we have to scale down. Yeah. Good. So this one is done. The other ones here, I hope so too. Smart UV projects and beton is there, and A to select all and scale down. Good. Inside the stairs too. That stairs also. I can say you this, what there happens as that crash. That is the horrible things you can have by plannering, because all your work is gone normally. This time I have luck, but normally all destroyed. So now we take here another stone material for that, and here it is roundings. We take the stone material, so here we have to go plus, and we have here some stones. See it here, that is from this edge stones there. So we have that one, that's a nice one. So we can take them for this part here, Control plus, then you select once more of loops. You take your smart UV project and give them that stone material. There the multiplier is too high, so we go here to 0.3. Yeah, for me that looks good. The same we use here. Mark one loop, Control plus to get other loops with them. And Smart UV project, stone sign. Maybe rotate 90. And it's good. So the same we take for that piece here. Smart UV projection plus stone 4, I think that was. So there, rotate 90 and scale down. Good. So we done that. File, save. That here should have that street material. That's not the bottom material, that's the street material. So we click that and unwrap from view here, new material, and call it street. This street material, we delete all what is in. With X, Control V to plug in the other material there, and we only take here the image texture and give them that stone bottom street road stone material, that here. and then we simply scale them down. So done that too. File, save. Here that is the graveyard, but we only make there now some grass. That is enough for the moment. So we take that, top view, new material, call it grass. Delete here all with X, Control V to plug in material, take another texture, a grass texture. We have it there. Then we simply scale up or down like you would. And then we have that graveyard thing there done. File, save. So yesterday I was on the website textures.com again, because I found no windows and doors for the church, and I searched again there and I found some. But at first we moved that here all to the second layer. That here too. File, save. And there I found some doors and windows. So you can search them there too. Texture.com, and there you get windows from churches. Here we have them. We need some different ones. We need a big one like that. So I copy them and bring them in our texture folder from our project, St.Michell. Texture, there we plug it into. That is that window. We can take that window, that's like we would, and this here I found there too, so I will use that too. Good. So the door I searched there too, and I found some that can fit with them. Not that I have found another one. So on texture.com there was doors, and then yeah, that are these ones that I found there, and this is nearly like that one that we searched for, that door, but we haven't made it more round, so that here can fit with them. So we copy them in our texture folder too. So now we can texture here our windows. So at first we take that here, so simply from view plus new window 1, delete all what is in there, and Control V plug in, and now this rounded window there, that is that here. So from view we have to make it here up, that we see how long that is. There it is, and then we scale it up to fit with this size of the window there. Scale X and try to fit that with the rest there. Then we have a nice looking window in, and that we use for all these round windows here, so that here too. From view, window, sign, scale up, grab it, scale X. I know it's too deep, so bring it more in front. Here too. There we take the normal axis to get that better in control. Here we have also one. So from view, window, sign, scale up, grabbing, scaling, scale X, grabbing, positioning, done. That is too deep too. So we bring them more outside too. Good. This one we have, file, save. Now this main church. From view, here we have to make it in, so plus, and that called window 1, sign, and here the same procedure like ever. Procedure. Yeah. Then here too. So that two windows we get. Here the backside comes other windows, so file, save. We take that little tower here. Two windows, okay. So unwrap from view. Take here plus. Window material, sign, scale up, and fit with the reference. And for such windows you can also make them with glass material and bring them into the church spotlight or such, not a spotlight, a point light, and then the windows will really light. That looks then very cool. Good, but we are here at the moment. Good, good, good. Two doors left. Yeah, and that window's there, so file, save. But at the main church here, that real big window there. View, projection from view, plus new material, call it window 2. Window 2. Delete all what is in here, and Control V plug in. Get a new texture, image texture, and that should be that big window there. That or that. Don't know it exactly. I'll take that here. Sign, and we need to open up it here. And then simply scale up. Scale X, grabbing and positioning. So we have done that too. Now we have to do the doors and these little windows. File, save. So that entrance door So we click that little dot here and then plus new, call it main door, and delete all what is in here. Control V, plug in, and get the texture of the big door. That was that here. Then edit mode, UV from view, main door, sign, kill that with X and search your door there and scale them up. And scale X to make them as small as they are, and then we have a nice looking door in there. So there we need a little door. I don't know what I have there, but we will see. Take that here, unwrap from view, plus new little door 2. All delete, Control V, plug in, and take a door texture for a small door like that here, and assign that, then drop that away and open up this other little door and scale that to the size that we need to hit the reference. And then we have a nice looking door there also. So that looks not so bad. We need here Windows Stuff 2. File, save. I must look which windows we have. From view, plus new window 3. Delete all. Control V, plug in, and search for Windows. Here. You only have them here. I don't want to use the same. We take the same one here. Good. We make there the window 1 type, assign, and here also, and we simply get not the whole window in there, only part of them, and then you have the same there. So when we take here 2 or 3 of them, such like that, looks not so good. I will look at my folder from textures.com. Maybe I have another window there. And ones here are heavy too. And we must stretch them. No, that's not so good. But we can stretch. But here also, I think let's look again. Here's only the problem that we have no black lines there outside, so I go there, extrude scale and scale X, so I have then go back to global axis, scale Y. Now I can make the black frame, so plus new frame, get them black, and then we only have to scale it here a little more or less. So scale X, maybe no, scale Y. Yeah, such like that. Grab it a little. Yeah, that can have a function. So we make it here to extrude scale, scale Y. Get that black frame there. And take here the window 1. That's correct. Scale them, grabbing, scaling. Yeah, and reposition. Done. 2 nice windows there. Here we want to take a door. Don't know what happens here, but I don't want to know it. Yeah. Here we make simple stone material. U from U plus stone material sign. Scale down. Then here we take a door in, so plus, or we take this other door there, door, the little door, U from U, sign, kick that and search the door there. Oh, that's really the wrong door. Okay, so we search another door for them. Minus, plus, new door 3. Kill all, control V, plug in, search another door. I think that one is cool. So side door 3 is scale X, scale Y, yeah, all correctly, all good, all fine, we all the best. So that is a church, but these things must come here at each edge and around the windows. That we will make then next time, not today. Make a short preview render. Yeah, that looks really good. Yeah, that must be a little bit smaller there, the tiles, but the rest here, that must be smaller. The rest is good, and we can tweak a lot, so that's no problem at all to get such there. Good one. Here the failure too. So we make the rest next, in the next tutorial. So thanks a lot, bye.